When adjusting a picture in PowerPoint, you may need to make that picture transparent. You can do this by inserting the picture inside a shape. Select Insert, Shapes. Pick your shape. Adjust the shape as necessary. The shape should be proportional to the picture you are inserting, otherwise the image will become skewed. Next, select Shape Fill, Picture. Insert pictures from a location of your choice. Choose your image. Insert. Adjust the shape if needed to make the image proportional. Right-click the image and select Format Picture. Select the first icon under Shape Options to see the fill controls. Then, drag the transparency slider to get the degree of transparency you want. You can optionally remove the outline from the shape by right-clicking on the shape. Select Outline, No Outline.